What's poppin', guys? And today we have a package from Setsu's store. So let's get into it. Anyways, so now we have the YuXin Low Magic Square-1 as opposed to this other Square-1. Yeah, you know what? Let's forget about this. So anyways, YuXin released their budget Square-1, fully magnetic by the way. And so I'm really excited to get this out. So in here, we only have the squan and a manual in case you need. So here we have it. Shades are pretty good. Anyways, let's get into first turns. Well, this is actually quite fast. It's really super fast. Because I can't believe it's way too fast. And we'll have to slow it down with some lube later on. Top layer magnets, bumpy, still pretty smooth and super fast. The bottom layer magnets are also pretty bumpy, smooth and fast, slightly sandy. Slice magnets are very subtle, as if you cannot feel them. I could definitely see myself overshooting this one, or maybe not cutting as much. So the corner cutting on this squan is quite lacking, but of course the magnets help solve this issue once I get to slow this down. I have to set it up and I'll get back to you once it's a lot better. This was bought at Setsu's store for around 400 pesos. Got it for less than due to a sale. And if you're looking for cubes at really nice prices, don't forget to check out Setsu's store. Link is in the description. What you are now seeing is an average of 5 with a little magic right after unboxing, a paper mod done on it to further prevent stripping, and a slight bit cleaning of the excess lube on the cube out of the box. Out of the box, it was indeed fast to the point that it overshoots, but I was able to adjust a bit to the speed in some time, though overshooting still remains. The turning is unbelievably smooth and requires less effort to turn, which was lacking in my previous main, the Chifa. In addition, the magnets, though subtle, gives the cube a nice stability and makes algorithms flow well. However, the drawback with this cube, as they say, is the corner cutting. Because of this fault, I have gotten many minor catches in many of my solves, in addition to the overshooting, which can scoop a few seconds in time solves, making the cube unforgiving for rough and inaccurate turners. Nevertheless, the YuXin Little Magic still fares well in the competition and is a viable choice for many speed cubers looking to get into Square-1, possibly even competing up to the vault, which is why I have switched to this Square-1 from the Chifa. The most notable point of this cube out of all is that it is sitting at an $8 to $10 price point, making it all the more one of the best Square-1s to have nowadays. If you are looking for a new main or looking to get into Square-1 and you don't mind turning a little bit more accurately, this cube is definitely a must buy. The rest of this video is just the average of 5. Feel free to click away if you want. Thanks for watching, and keep poppin', guys.